Maybe. But I'll still be alive. Oi, what are you doing?
You're making a mistake, sir!
Get off me, you moron! Now's our chance.
Alright, butcher gang, rough him up!
About time. I've been itching for a brawl.
Hey, Bendy, you go do what you need to do. We'll keep Alfie here company.
Sure thing.
You're no match for me, Boris.
Ugh, she's too strong.
Yeah, I don't think we can take much more of this. I'm not sure about Fluffy either.
Yeah, how can he survive this much anyway?
Not sure. I found him down here in the lower level some time ago. I believe he was originally made to serve our lord, the Plush demon. But for whatever reason, he ended up down here.
Hey, I'm still trying to kill you over here. You can talk about that in the afterlife. If there even is one for you filthy demons.
Hey, time out. We're trying to think of something over here.
Your arm. We need to supercharge it. Do you have any batteries?
No, but there is a bench over there.
We just need some batteries. Over there, on the other side of the room, behind Alex. How convenient.
Not very. We need to get past Alice, then back over here.
You go for the batteries. Me and Fluffy will deal with her.
If you're sure.
On 3. 1, 2, go!
That wasn't on 3. Whoa! Got it.
Hey, over here, you filthy heretic! Ha! No wonder the Plush demon wanted rid of you. You're pathetic. Downright ugly. Would you like to borrow my mask? I think you need it more.
Die!
I'm charged, Sammy. Sammy?
Forgive me, Lord.
Now that they are dealt with, it's just you.
Oh, hell no. There's only one way this is ending.
Boris!
Bendy, you're okay?
Oh, how nice of you to catch up, Bendy. Today is the day that you all die together. I'm an angel. I need to get to heaven.
We done here, Boris?
Not yet, pal.
Oh, here he is. The big bad wolf. There's still that little mutt under there.
Whoa. You okay, pal?
Yeah, I'll fill you in later. Trust me, she deserved that.
I believe it. Now, what's this?
It's the exit portal. Henry said this is the way out of the studio. If it works, we could leave this place. Or open it for anyone that wants to leave. We could be free of this place.
Should we see if it works?
Ah, you're alive.
I see Alice isn't. Man, I could have hit that. Don't even think about it.
We brought you a present.
Ah, Boris, my old friend. How you doing, mate?
Pretty good ever since you left me for dead.
Well, yeah, but, man, I didn't mean for... Well, I just wanted to...
Shut it! We've heard enough out of you!
He's all yours, Boris. What do you want to do with him?
I think there's been enough cotton spilled today.
Really? Oh, thank you, Boris. Thank you. I promise you won't.
Whoa.
I'll fill you in later. He deserves that.
I believe it.
Hey! Is that the exit portal?
Sure is.
And it's just about ready, I think. You, ready to see if it actually works?
Hit it, pal.
Whoa!
That's it. The outside world.
Should we go through?
Who knows what's out there? We could put all this behind us. Joey, Gentcop, Alan, the demon, Alice.
What about you guys?
Well, you see, with the studio being free now, we're gonna stay here and keep the studio for ourselves.
And unlike Alfie, you can trust us in that.
You promise to take good care of this place? There's some innocent people living here.
So long as we're making money, of course.
So, this could be goodbye.
It's been fun, in a super messed up murdery kind of way. So long, Bendy.
Yeah, bye.
You ready, pal?
Hey, Yuck. Let's get out of here.